Channel, guys. So today we're making slime. We already started because this would be too long. So I made Piggy Pink, bubblegum pink in it. We used white glue. We used lotion. We used Stay Flow. We used paint, and these are containers. And we're gonna reviewing our slimes.
When mine's still finished.
Yeah, we're still working on them, so at least you guys get a little thing of them. It's big. I'm gonna add more shaving cream.
Girls?
Yeah.
Do you want pizza for supper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, that was our grandma asking us if she wanted pizza for supper.
Wait, no more.
Yeah, you can't use no more of the shaving cream. Oh shoot. So mine might be like light pink. So I might add another color, so guess what color?
Orange.
No, not orange.
No, blue. Purple. What would blue and purple make?
Purple. Blue and purple? I don't know. I might have pink and
Alright,
blue.
no, not blue and purple.
Sorry guys, you guys fell. So, let's make this fast. Okay? Because remember, our storage is going to fill up. So, yeah. Our storage is filling up, so we gotta go fast.
Too many
It's gonna
videos.
quit the video. Yeah, too much videos to delete some, so. No, like, delete them off YouTube, like, delete them off my camera.
But they're still on YouTube.
Yeah.
And then here's around big mud skin. And one more activator. A little bit this time. So it's from
I was only 5.
Come on, get you a stripper. Oh, oh, I was only a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's only a stripper.
No, that's not how you put it. I need some activator.
In your hand, scream out. Here.
Thanks. Okay, so
There's one for the
we're turning
room.
on. What? What?
My slime's gonna get ruined.
Nothing. So, this is my slime. That's her slime. Okay. Okay, so here it is. This is mine, it's all clicky. So, yeah, and that's hers. Eat. That's your container.
What?
I just,
You're gonna go get that.
no,
Yeah.
no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
She's gonna get payback. Get slime all over you. You can't do it to me because these are new shirts. It is a new shirt. It's the first time I wore it.
Please never wear it around me. That's good.
So, I need more activator. I need more activator than they.
Good luck, sister. No, I'm just kidding. My footrest. Yeah.
Add some activator, just a little bit. So,
I went off some these.
Hmm?
I went off some over
and make sure to go check out her channel. She'll tell you what her channel is.
Lindsay. It's just Lindsay Lou.
She copied me. Mine's it's gonna be Lilo. It's just gonna be Lily. No. What was it? Yeah, it's just gonna be Lilo.
I got a sister forever.
And then this, whenever it's me and her, it's Sister Forever. So,
As you can tell right now.
we do not get along.
Like this.
Stop. Or I'm telling. Okay. Let's see. Stop. Okay. I don't know if I said this, but make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell. And today is, what's your favorite color? I didn't know.
Yeah, what's your favorite color?
Yeah.
Mine's blue. But you took the color. No, I'm just kidding.
Mine's green.
We have green. Color green.
I'm gonna make my son green. I wanted to. So here it is. Okay.
6 fingers. I was looking for.
So we're done. Thank you for watching. Sister Forever.